Today I'm going to share with you 6 little known ways to find great content ideas for your YouTube videos. Hey guys, it's Nessa. Welcome to the Project Girl Boss channel, where we talk all things YouTube and growing your channel. Now, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes it seems that the more content we push on a weekly basis, the more we run out of ideas. And I think that this becomes especially true when we realize that people don't really care about our lives per se. I mean, at least not at first. So we start trying to come up with topic ideas that we think people want to watch. And sometimes we can get a little creator's block. So that is why I think that this video is going to be especially helpful, because a lot of the strategies that I'm going to share, I don't really hear a lot of other creators talking about. This video is also a collab with Courtney Taylor over here on YouTube. She also makes YouTube growth videos and social media tips videos over on her channel. So I'm going to go ahead and link her video and her channel down in the description for you guys. Her video is actually going to be all about how to properly promote your videos, because once you make the videos, you want people to watch, right? So make sure to head over to her channel as soon as you're done watching this video and let her know that I sent you. This first strategy is one of my favorites, because in very little time you can come up with a bunch of ideas. And what you basically want to do is you just want to type a broad general topic over on Google Images. Then you want to take a look at the tags that Google suggests, as well as the images that come up in the results. These are the terms that Google considers very closely related to what you just typed. So to find your topic idea, what you want to do is combine a tag with the keyword that you searched for, or you can also take inspiration from the captions in the images that pop up in the results. So you can see here for the term snorkeling, we could make videos such as snorkeling gear for kids, 10 things to take on your snorkeling, 10 reasons to take up snorkeling. You get the idea. I looked up the term money management, and we can make videos such as personal money management, 10 simple ways to manage your money, 5 money management strategies, all ideas taken from the captions found on the images. I talked about this next tool in my YouTube creator tools video, and that is the Exploding Topics website. Now, the whole premise of this website is to help content creators find topics that they can make content around. Not only that, but they find content that people are actively searching for on the internet that have the potential to become trends. The site has a section where you can sort the results by categories. There is also a search box where you can try and search for a broad term to see if there are any results. Just remember that these are topics that have the potential to become a trend. So don't think that you're going to make the video and all of a sudden you're going to get a ton of views. But if and when it does become a trend, your videos will be ready to be served to everyone searching for that topic. The third strategy that I have for you is actually another tool, and it's to go looking on the website called SEO Scout. This handy little tool scrapes the people asked sections of search results, giving you a list of hot questions that people really want to know. In this case, I looked up the term personal brand, and we find questions such as, can you change your personal brand? Can you build a personal brand on Reddit? How can I improve my personal brand? Why personal branding is important? What is personal branding? Why personal branding is essential to career success, and so on and so on. So these are all questions that people have regarding the term personal brand. Questions that you can answer with your content. It can also create topic combinations of words that you input into it. Combinations such as cheap cats online, cheap cat site. The fourth strategy that I have for you is to scan the YouTube comment section. And this one is pretty straightforward. What you basically want to do is you want to go through your comment section to see if anybody is leaving you requests of videos that they would like to see on your channel. Now you can take it a step further and scan through the comment sections of other creators that are also in your niche. Bigger creators especially always have people in their comment section asking them to make videos around a particular topic, or letting them know about issues that they're having that they would like some help with. You can take note of all those ideas and make content around those topics. In looking at the comment section in one of Catherine Manning's videos, for example, I found the questions, how to reach out to brands as a small YouTuber. Someone also asked if she could make a video about patience. How do you keep posting and working while you still have little results? You can see that as I keep on scrolling, I will come up to yet another question that someone asked her to make a video about. They said, do you think you could ever do a video for people who had their channel semi-blow up and then completely die? Someone who already has tons of videos and is deep into it. Would you suggest starting completely over and trying to rebuild your brand? This video idea was actually inspired on a couple of Facebook posts that I saw on some of the groups that I belong to, where smaller creators were basically asking for content ideas because they were kind of stuck and didn't know what else to film around their particular niches. So I thought, you know what? I could create a video topic around that. The fifth strategy that I have for you is to go on Reddit, but not just any place on Reddit, the Reddit keyword research tool. Now, up until recently, I didn't even know that Reddit had a keyword research tool, although I probably should have known because there seems to be a keyword research tool for pretty much everything. Now, the best thing about this keyword research tool is that it works a little bit different than other keyword research tools. So instead of giving you a bunch of results based on a seed keyword that you search for, it instead shows you all the hot topics that people are discussing on Reddit. Getting traffic from Reddit is hard. Like if you go in and just drop your link, people will be all over you. But if you're making videos around the topics that people are already discussing on Reddit, you can then just jump into the conversation and say something along the lines of, hey, I actually just made a video about this on my channel, and then, you know, proceed to give your thought on the subject without dropping any type of link. Best case scenario, someone gets curious, asks you for your channel, and if you keep engaging with the community, the admins might even let you promote your videos later on. So it's definitely a strategy worth trying. All you need to do to take advantage of this tool is pop a subreddit into it. I went ahead and popped the term beauty into the search box, and all of these results came up. You could potentially make topics about all of this. For example, you could do a video about your full coverage foundation routine, or what you could also do is take two of these terms and combine them, similar to the way we did with the Google images, and make videos about those topics. So for example, if you take the term best matte lipsticks and combine them with the term dark hair colors, you have a whole new video idea. You could even do a video about your foundation routine for acne prone skin, or even glycolic acid face wash for acne prone skin. And if you're really stuck and the strategies and tools that I just talked about have been absolutely no help, I actually have a strategy for you where you don't even need to come up with new content idea at all. What you'll want to do instead is relaunch one of your older posts with a new spin. And trust me, YouTubers do this all the time. Take a look at your past videos or some of the other content that you have put out there, especially ones that have done particularly well, and see if you can find a way to give it a new spin. I dare you to tell me that you haven't seen videos such as updated morning routine, or updated morning routine during quarantine, or updated morning routine with a newborn. Same core concept, so we're still talking about the morning routine, but it has a whole different spin. So save this video so that you can reference it the next time you're stuck trying to come up with a topic idea. And as always, if you found some value in it, don't forget to share it out so that others can also benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I have an exciting announcement coming up on my next video that you're not going to want to miss. I will go ahead and see you on the next one. Bye.